In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of utilizing Shippo services in Canada. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you need to register for a Shippo account. Head over to the Shippo website and complete the sign-up process by providing your email, name, and password. Next, it's time to integrate your e-commerce platform or marketplace with Shippo. After creating your Shippo account, link it with your preferred platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Shippo supports various integrations with popular platforms. Now, on to step 3, adding shipping carriers. Once your e-commerce platform is connected, add the shipping carriers you prefer for shipments within Canada. Shippo supports carriers like Canada Post, UPS, FedEx, and DHL. Set up your carrier accounts and link them to your Shippo account to access shipping rates. Moving on to step 4, creating shipping labels and managing orders. After setting up your carriers, start generating shipping labels for your orders within your Shippo account. Select the order, choose the carrier and service level, enter shipment details, and generate the label for printing. Finally, step 5, tracking and managing shipments. Utilize the tracking numbers provided by Shippo to monitor your shipment's progress. Keep an eye on shipment statuses through your Shippo account or the carrier's tracking tools. Provide tracking information to your customers for a seamless experience.